Hi, this is Umesh. Welcome to my review channel Zimo. Today I'm going to review a product which is really going to be helpful to you. Today I'm going to share with you a review video of a product called Profit Strike, which is going to launch on 4th Jan 2022 at 11 am EST. So in this review video I'm going to share with you the front ends and the OTOs and also video, and if possible the bonuses are there, then I'm going to share with the bonuses to you in this review video called Profit Strike. The product is Profit Strike, which is going to launch on 4th Jan 2022 at 11 am EST. So dear friends, do you want to earn affiliate commission immediately? A software that has been loaded with proven and highly converting done for you lead funnels, squeeze page and thank you page, premium lead magnets and affiliate products, and a traffic element that allows the user to early siphon traffic from 21 social media networks in one click. 100% newbie friendly and easy to launch. And 20 done for you leads pages, premium lead magnets, which are editable and brandable to you in each file that you can use to build an email list and also promote at the same time. And has all lead funnels work with GetResponse, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, SendLane or any autoresponder you want to use, but add you autoresponder code and it's really ready to build your list and promote offers. And that product is Profit Strike for you. So Profit Strike is a product in which you are going to get all these elements which can work for you and to make money immediately. So now I'm going to share with you the OTOs, the front end of this product called Profit Strike. Profit Strike funnel breakdown is front end $22 and Profit Strike upgrade is for $37. Upgrade number 2 is for $97. Upgrade for 3 is for $97. Upgrade 4 is for $97 and upgrade 5 is for $97 and upgrade 6 is also for $67. So these are the front end and the upgrades of this product called Profit Strike. Now I'm going to share with you the bonuses what you are going to receive after the product. The bonuses are inbuilt in the members area, so you can choose your bonuses. You can take your bonuses from the members area. When you pick this product, you will get the bonuses in the members area. So now I'm going to give you the funnel detail. Front end Profit Strike $19 to downsell $17, fully done for you list builder software. 20 loaded outstanding lead pages, 20 premium lead magnets done for you, graphics and optional page copy. Add affiliate offer to lead pages. Just copy your autoresponder code and you are done for integration with top autoresponders. Now FE bump online Profit Strike traffic booster for $9.95 cents. Traffic booster syndicates your campaign to 66 traffic sources in one click. Now OTO 1 Profit Strike unlimited OTO 1 is for $47 down to $27, includes everything in front end plus the below features 50 plus lead funnels and lead magnets, ability to capture unlimited leads, unlimited hosting for all the lead pages, ability to add conversion boosters to lead pages, instant lead downloads and unlimited storage. Add these landing pages to your sites and build your list automatically. Promote unlimited offers that ClickBank from ClickBank and Savings and Warrior Plus, starting earning recurring commissions. So OTO2 Profit Strike monthly booster $97 down to $47. sorry, $97 to down to $47. 10 monthly lead pages, ability to request for the lead pages that you want done for your email sequences, and much more. OTA 3 Profit Strike $100K cloner $47 down to $27. A fully web-based software that lets you take over my fully done for you affiliate site and lets you earn commission from everything. All my content becomes yours, all the affiliate links become yours, all the product review videos become yours, all the commissions from the site goes to your account. You don't have to do anything, just take over my site using this new system. OTA 4 Profit Strike limitless traffic for 365 days $147 down to $97. Put your tracking pixel on your sales pages and take advantage of hundreds of thousands of visitors. Customers get to keep all of the tracking data to use for their own promotion. This is as close as it gets to building a huge list overnight. OTA 5 Profit Strike reseller $67 down to $47. The reseller edition gives the rights to resell the software as your own and keep 100% of profit. Resell the software as your own. You can create your accounts yourself. You can own agency dashboards, manual account creations for users in a click. Select the access level of your users. We will handle all the support servers and technical parts. You have access to all updates and bugs fixed as we actually maintain the product. Access to resellers dashboard immediately. OTA 6 Profit Strike the missing piece $147 down to $97. This missing piece accidentally found out by a beta tester pockets as an additional $XXX daily. Works surprisingly well with Profit Strike. We have seen 5x income boost with this missing piece. You are leaving money on the table without this unique upgrade. Add another income stream to your arsenal. Bonus training and tutorial video included. So these are the bonuses and the OTOs. What is there inside this front end and the OTOs I have mentioned in this video. Now I'm going to share with you Profit Strike vendors, whether it's back end spot, reciprocation, exclusive bonus, review, access, swipe. Just let us know. So Mr. Yoviskauyo, the vendor of this product, is quite intelligent and he have brought this product for you, Profit Strike. Now I'm going to share with you the demo video of this product called Profit Strike. Profit Strike is a product, and with this demo video you are going to go in the members area to the dashboard and you can watch how this product is going to work for you. So let's go there.
Yeah, I will do this demo video for Profit Strike, and I'm in the dashboard at the moment. We're going to placeholder video for now. Don't worry about that. It has some bonuses here, which you can pick up by clicking on the link. Inside the dashboard, you can see your funnel stats. We'll show you how to set them up in just a minute. You can see how many funnels you have, how many you have, and how many affiliate products you have as well. So the first step that we want to be doing is we want to be going to affiliate products and just setting some up. Now I have already set a couple here and you will see how that all fits in just a minute. But what we do is to set a new one up is you go to add affiliate product, you give it a name, you give it a description, you give it an image, and I'm going to show you how to get these images links because you need to be putting a link. So you can't just sort of add a file, it's got to be a link. I'll show you this in just a minute. And then you put your affiliate link in there, which is where the traffic is going to be sent to. This is your money link. And then you select the page. I'm going to show you what these pages mean in just a minute. You can see I've got 3 here. You can have more, but I'll show you how to work these out as well in just a minute. And then button text, so opt in or click here or learn more or whatever. So, before we do anything else, let me show you where to get the link from. I use a company called Images or Image Shack, and this is not, you don't have to do this, but maybe there's other ways of doing it, but what I do is you just kind of you browse and upload your image, your JPEG or whatever, okay, and then once you've done that, basically the software gets you the link in PNG format, okay, so very, very easy, and then you just click on get links, and you copy that into the system here, into the software. So let me just show you ready-made one that we have. So I'll put the demo test description, images, so I've added the image in PNG format, affiliate link, which I've just taken the BBC guide, but this is obviously your affiliate link. Select the page, so I've selected this page here and the button text, okay? Right, so the next stage is what we're going to be doing. Let me just show you how it all kind of sits together. So if I go to Done For You Funnels, what you can do is you can choose, you can either preview, and that shows you the opt-in page. Okay, so we get ready-made ones, and you get, I believe you get, what is it? You can see the 60 here, so 60 of these, and the way to do this is, so you can preview the pages, and there's quite a few, and you can download as well, but I want to use it. So when I click on that page, and this description, this name, is going to show up on My Lead Funnels, and this is really where the action is. So let's say that I'm going to be using this one here. So Amazon Kindle, because I love Amazon. So I'm going to be using that. So look, I'm just going to click on this. Page created successfully, and then I'm going to access it here. There you go. So I don't have any traffic because I've just set it up. Now, a couple of things I can do here, guys. That's the preview page, which you lit the opt-in page. So you can see that there. This is the thank you page, which I can preview. Now, what I want to do is get to a situation where I possibly have a couple of these, because you'll see what I mean. What I'm going to be doing now is adding affiliate offers. So what that means is when someone is downloading their opt-in, their bonus, while they do that, they get presented with a couple of offers here. These are going to be paid offers with my affiliate link inside. So that's why not only am I going to be capturing someone's leads, someone's details, but also that person might purchase product from me as well. So that's what we want to be doing. And the way to do that is, okay, so we go to affiliate products. Now remember, these ones I've already set them up, and then I'm going to be corresponding this page, this affiliate product, okay, I'm going to be corresponding it with that thank you page. I'm going to be literally slotting that product into that thank you page. So, as you go to here, and you choose which page. So the software automatically enables you to sync it. So I'm going to go to here, and I'm going to save changes. And I'm going to do exactly the same with this product here. Okay, and then I'm going to save the changes. And then, when I go to My Lead Funnels, and I look at the review thank you page, more things that I want to cover with you. First of all, you get autoresponders. So when you set the funnels, what happens is you get the ability to configure the autoresponders. You can choose which one, so you just configure it. And as we've seen, you can choose your data page as well. And that's the first thing I want to show you. The other one, I'm not going to spend time on the opt-ins because that's just the people who have opted in. You can either get straight into your autoresponder or you can just download it from here. But what's really interesting is the fact that you can choose the products from here. So we've connected into ClickBank, JVZoo and Warrior Plus, and you can see the products. You can see how much they've sold, conversions, and so on. EPC, you can sort it by conversion and EPC as well. Commission, so gives you a nice ability to choose the best product to promote, and then you just get a link, your affiliate link, and this is how you configure your product and the funnel. So hopefully that's making sense, and thank you very much for listening and watching this demo video. See you on the inside.
So thank you very much for listening my review, watching my review of Profit Strike, and making your mind to pick this product through my link given in the description box below this video. Be fast to grab this product because the prices increases. Dear friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Hit the like button if you liked my video. Otherwise, if you dislike my video, please hit the dislike button, and also hit the share button, like button, and also bell icon button. And please do comment for watching me, and I'm really thankful to you that you have made your mind to pick this product through my link given in the description box below. So if you have any query, you can catch me on my Facebook and my mail. So thank you very much and have a great day ahead. Love you all. All the best.